Only you have the ability to be the best version of yourself. So join me on this journey as we explore the power of yoga to unlock your full potential. Let's begin. Let's begin in wide-legged child's pose. Let your forehead rest. Feel the earth below, steady and unmoving. Begin to soften, shoulders melting, hips grounding, breath deepening. Thread your right arm underneath for a gentle twist. Let the weight of the body encourage release. Switch sides. Left arm threads under. Feel the breath widen across the back of the ribs. Begin to rise into cow pose, lifting the heart, gently arching the spine, and now cat pose, melting the hips back to child's. Flow through this pattern. Let the movement guide your breath. And now press back into your first downward facing dog. Pedal out the feet. Let your body find its own rhythm here. Slowly walk to the top of the mat, finding ragdoll pose. Grab opposite elbows, sway side to side. Rise to stand, arms overhead. Feel your spine lengthen. Open into cactus arms, gentle back bend. Arms extended, forward fold. Half lift. Plant the hands and step back to high plank. Flowing through vinyasa, letting the breath lead you. Meeting in down dog. Ease into a soft bend and stretch of the legs here, sensing what feels supportive. Right leg rises high. Bend the knee, open the hip. Square the hips, right foot forward, pigeon pose. Tent the fingers and wave the upper body, lowering and rising. Slow and fluid. Eventually, soften into stillness and let gravity take you. Lifting up and press back to downward facing dog. Left leg rises, bend the knee, open hip. Square the hips, bring the left foot forward, pigeon. Tent the fingers and flow the upper body. Lower and rise. And now settling into stillness. Let the earth receive you completely. Upper body rises and push back into down dog. Step to the top of the mat. Rise to stand. Arms overhead. Right hand grabs left wrist. Side bend to the right. Feel the stretch through the side body. Moving to the other side. Side bend to the left. Center. Forward fold. Half lift. Plant the hands, step back into high plank. Move through your vinyasa. Three-legged dog, right leg high. Pulling the knee to nose, then extend back. 2 more times. Knee to nose, extend. Let the movement feel strong, but not forceful. And now step the right foot forward, warrior 2. Sink in, root into your foundation. Reverse warrior. Breathe into the side body. Extended side angle. Rising up to warrior 2. Triangle pose. Bend the front knee, left hand to the mat, easy twist. Lower the back knee, low lunge, arms extended. Feel the spaciousness return. Standing split, left leg rises high. Release the left foot, chair pose. Forward folds. Rise to stand, arms overhead. Forward fold. Half lift. Step back to high plank. Vinyasa. Meeting in down dog. 3-legged down dog, left leg high. Knee to nose and sweep it back up. 2 more times. Move with grace. Step the left foot forward, warrior 2. Find steadiness here. Reverse warrior. Extended side angle. Rising back up, warrior 2. Straighten the front leg, triangle pose. Easy twist, left knee bends, right hand to the mat. Low lunge, arms extended. Standing split, right leg high. Lower the right foot to the mat. Rise to stand, arms sweep overhead, palms touch. And lower to heart center. Slowly lower yourself down to balance on the balls of your feet. Lowering to the mat. Seated forward fold. Grab hold of the left foot. Extend and straighten the leg. Slowly release, moving to the other side, grabbing hold of the right foot. Straighten. Release. Boat pose. Lift through the heart. Now open the legs into a diamond shape. Hold. Release the feet to the mat and lower to the mat. Press into the feet, bridge pose. Slowly lower down to the mat, knees to chest. Right leg crosses over left, supine twist. Let go of what doesn't need to stay. Hug the knees into the chest. Moving to the other side, left leg crosses over right and twist. Let the breath guide your release. Hug both knees in, gently rocking side to side. Extend the legs long, arms by your side for your final Shavasana. Let the energy of this practice settle in your body. May the effort dissolve into ease and the movement guide you back to balance.